Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how you can convert your boring slides into animated slides that will capture the attention of your audience and will make your slide very interesting. For example, here we have a slide in which there are 4 points: symptoms of COVID-19, and these 4 points are given in pointed format, and this slide is so boring. So how you can convert this 4 point information into an animated slide that will capture the attention of your audience? So here I have made some animation. So the animation is as follow. Here you can see that this slide is so colorful and interesting that it will capture the attention of your audience, and it's very eye-catching slide. Now we will see how we can make such slides. To make such slide, go to insert, shapes, rectangle, and then make a bar like this. Now change its color to white and shape outline no outline. Now just copy paste it and reduce the size of it. Again copy paste it, increase its length, and make 3 copies of it. Like this. Now do some rearrangements and connect it. Now I will change the color. Change the color of first bar to green, and this bar to red, and then blue, and then yellow. Now add some text here, and for text go to insert and word art, and now you can place here the symptoms of COVID-19. I will just copy paste it from here. Copy and paste it here. Increase the size of this text and place inside these bars. So how you can make it? First select it and then go to format and text effect, go to glow, and you can change the glow animation to this one. Secondly, now I will make a circle. Go to insert, shapes, select block arc, make a half circle like this, and now you can decrease its length and make a semicircle like this. Now go to shapes, select oval and make an oval inside it. And do some rearrangements like this. And reduce the size of it. Like this. Now right click on it, edit text, place one here, change the color of this number, increase the size and by 1. Now you can select both of them and add animation wheel. So next step is to go to insert, shapes, rectangle, and select a rectangle of same color or different color. Let's suppose I select a different color of green and I insert a text which may be shortening of breath, edit text and paste it. Increase the size of it and change the color. Now select it, shape effect, glow, and give it a glow of red color. Now select it and go to animation and you should wipe and effect option from left to right. So it will become like this one. Next again you can select shape, go to block arc and do the amendments I have already told you. Just copy paste it here. Change the number to 2 and select both and join them. Like this. Change the color of it to, let's say, red, and now add same text block here, and the second symptom is a cough that gets more severe over time. Paste it here, reduce the size or increase the block size. Do some amendments. Similarly, apply animations. Once again, I am going to apply and then select both of them, wheel, swipe from left to right, then again select it, apply a wipe and this, so it will look like this one. So you can see how I have made this animation. So when you will do the same things, you will get this animation. You can get this animated slide in the link below. And one more thing, you can add the background. For this you have to download some picture from the internet that I have already downloaded. Let's copy paste it. Now adjust the size according to the size of the slide. After adjusting these sides, double click it, send to back, but the background is very shining one. So in order to remove its shine and to make it dull, what I will do, go to insert shape, rectangle, and place a rectangle of the same size as our slide, change its color to black, right click on it, format shape, go for transparency of 50, double click it, send to back, and then bring forward. So here you can see now slide is more interesting and colorful. So you can get this ready-made slide in the link below. Thank you very much.